Hi everyone and welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to draw a beautiful midday scenery. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's sketch the horizontal line in the middle of our paper. This will separate the sky from the ground. Next, let's draw the landscape. Start by sketching some rolling hills on the horizontal line. Add a few trees on the hills to give it a more natural look. Now let's draw a winding path that leads toward the scene. Start from the bottom of your paper and draw a curving line that gradually gets thinner as it approaches the horizon. On either side of the path, let's add some details like rocks, bushes, and flowers. Draw simple shapes for these elements to keep it easy. Next, let's add a small pond or lake to one side of the path. Draw an oval shape and add some ripples to indicate water. You can also draw some reeds or lily pads for extra details. Now let's fill the sky. Draw a few fluffy clouds using curved lines at a bright sun near the top of the paper with rays extending to outwards to show it's midday. Once we have the basic outline, it's time to add some details. Draw texture on the trees and bushes and add some shading to the hills and path to give them more depth. Finally, let's add some color. Use green for the grass and trees, blue for the sky and water, and a warm yellow for the sun if you want to add the colors. Don't forget to add some colorful flowers and details to make your scenery vibrant and lively. And there you have it, a beautiful midday scenery that's full of life. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep watching, keep creating, and keep exploring. See you next time. Bye bye.